It is a semifinal. Winner goes to the finals. Thank you. Winner goes to the finals. Loser goes to third. Not loser. Non-winner goes to third place. Battle off. What are you doing?
Me?
Yeah.
Just messing around.
Looks suspicious. Remember, you guys can ask for reways. You're very trusting of everybody. I do appreciate that. Krillzone is going to the finals. One of these robots will be in the finals against Krillzone. Krillzone should think about what attachments to make based on who wins this. Great. Is Corgi Crusader Mark II ready? Is Octomonster ready? Yes. Timer looks good. This is going into the finals. 3, 2, 1, fight, robots, fight! It's semifinal robot fighting time. Make it good. Oh, Octomonster, the early lead here. Not letting up, staying under. Where's going? Oh, that was so exciting. How the tables have turned. Oh my goodness. Whoa. Oh. Now what? So the spikes are grabbing and there'll be some dragging, but can you get them out? It doesn't fit. It doesn't fit. It's flexing, but it, there it is. A 43-second KO by Corgi Crusader over Octomonster. That was sweet.